Independence Act 1947. Problems facing the subcontinent 1940 to 1947. Independence Act 1947. On the 15th of July 1947, the British government passed the Indian Independence Act. The Act stated the partition of two Dominion independent states by the names of India and Pakistan to be established by the 15th of August. Both the Dominions will be able to pass any act or bill. The Government of India Act 1935 will be the temporary constitution of both Dominions until replaced. The princely states will be given the right to join either of the Dominions. Notesreel.com